Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You just need to check my video description for this site link and here the results before the water is low and little bit less shining or TX off. After the ray tracing is on, as you can see the water everything is looks so real. Now you just need to scroll down and go to files, check the manual download option. Select the slow download option and it will start downloading. If you are new to this site, then you will be redirected to login page. You just need to log into this site. If you doesn't have an account, then select the register option and create a new account. After the download done, select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select extract to. After the extracted folder, just open this readme and you can able to see a file path to just copy and paste it to navigate the location. Or you can just check my video description for this file path guys. I will give it. Just copy the file path in my description and paste it in the address bar and press enter. Just need to just drag and drop this engine to this folder and select the replace the file in the destination. Then just to close stuff here and launch the game and we successfully installed the mod guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.